This is the final video to fix the Brother scanner not working in Windows. And if you're also facing this problem, stay with me because I'm going to share every simple way to solve it. I am from Rexist, and I want to help you fix this without any confusion. This problem happens when Windows blocks the scanner driver. The Brother services stop working, or the connection between your PC and the scanner breaks. Many videos online make this look harder than it is, but most of them are complicated and not easy to follow. When I faced this issue, I solved it with a secret easy trick, and I will share all the working methods with you. First, restart your PC and your Brother scanner. A simple reboot often restores the connection. Next, check if your scanner appears in Settings under Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. If it is missing, add it again. Open Services and make sure the Windows Image Acquisition service is running. This service controls all scanning actions. After that, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the Brother scanner driver. Restart your PC so Windows loads the correct driver. If you use the Brother Control Center app, update it from Brother's website because old versions stop working after Windows updates. Also make sure your scanner and PC are on the same network if you are scanning over Wi-Fi. I fixed this problem with one simple method. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial on that, comment below.